Hey folks, it's Black Friday.
It's Opt-Outside Friday.
Oh yeah, we are today at the Indiana Dunes National Park.
It's Indiana Dunes State Park.
Oh yeah. Today we are hiking Trail 9 here at the Indiana Dunes State Park. And I'll tell you what, it is busy out here today. The whole opt-outside thing really seems to have caught on because we barely found a place to park at the trailhead.
Yep.
So far, it's been a really nice little hike through the woods. Never hiked here off season. It's always been in the spring or summer. But pretty soon that's going to be changing as far as our area. Nice hike through the woods. We're going to be climbing some dunes here soon. There's an unofficial trail here to the right that takes you down the dunes and out to the beach. But we are going to the top of the dunes, aren't we, Catfish?
Yep.
All right. Check out that view. It's like another unofficial path down to the beach, huh?
Yeah. I think I see a big old steamboat too.
Sure is. Slide down the sand. All right, that is our hike here at Indiana State Park today on this Opt-Outside Friday. What'd you think about our hike here on Trail 9 today, Catfish?
I found the stuff like Succession pretty interesting. There like a whole bunch of ecosystems of plants growing depending on how far away they were from the water.
Yeah, the dune succession is really neat because at each level you go out a whole new ecosystem. You start out with a little bit of grass and prairie savanna type stuff that goes into the pine, down into another valley into marsh, up to the top to another oak, back down, and then up to the final stage. It's really interesting, isn't it?
Yep.
How many different kinds of ecosystems did we walk through today?
A lot of those.
Yeah, I would say.
And marsh.
And marsh, yeah, that's part of them. So probably 4 or 5. That's really neat.
Yep.
You know, those views, you can't knock them views from the top of them dunes, huh?
Nope.
All right. Well, till next time.
Peace out.